Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested Charms Pick a Card reading. What is coming next for you in your month of January? Yes, friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wens Tarot. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, this is for January, but you can watch it anytime, friends. It will still resonate with you. And you can buy your own personal readings from the website. And you can check your 2022 readings, pick a card readings, horoscope readings. The details are in the timestamps. So, I can't believe it. We are into January. Oh my god, can you believe it? Where the year went. Whew. My god, I wish a very, very happy new year to everybody, and I hope this is a better and blessed new year for all of us on earth. And yes, let's see first. Let's take a deep breath. And let's choose, and then we're gonna look also. Okay, let's first discuss the astrologically what's happening this January. First we start the January with a new moon in Capricorn, and there is Mercury retrograde, so yes, communications will be stuck. Around the 14th of January, Mercury will be going retrograde. There is a full moon in Cancer on the 17th of January. Uranus will be going direct, and Venus will be going direct also later at the end of the month. So, whew, it's already a power packed month, friends. So, I think we should do jump into the reading and see what's coming next for you. So, take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one. This beautiful happiness card. Option number two, the beautiful change card. Option number three, the beautiful freedom card. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option number one, option number two, option number three. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly skip to your number, and you can also choose more than one or watch the entire video. So let's start with option one. So for those who chose option number one, the happiness card, let us see what is coming next for you in this January. Happiness, I'm aware that being happy means that I'm on the right path. So this January is about, you are trying to figure out which is the right way for you, what makes you happy. Happiness is your goal. Happiness is your mantra. These are your oracle messages. We're gonna look at them shortly, and this is your tarot, and we will also be looking at your charms. So yes, that we'll also cover at the end of this reading. So let's start. All right. So friends, you start this month of January feeling a little sad. I think you're not just sad. I feel you're ready to leave some past things behind. You're done with certain things. You no longer want to be there because they don't make you happy. Certain things in your life, certain situations in your life are not making you happy. So you wanna move ahead of them. Also, I see you will feel a little. This is not a sad card. I feel this is a happy card for you. You feeling like yes, it's time to move on. You need change, and you are ready for it. You are ready for some sort of a change. You are ready for some sort of a new start. You are ready to say bye bye to the past things, bye bye to this year. So you are looking forward to new things, and that is a great energy to start the new year, the new month with. I also feel some of you have been a little confused whether to make a change or not to make a change, whether to move forward or not to move forward. Some of you may actually start this month feeling a little confused, but you will get out of this confusion. You will get clarity. You will get this moon, the clarity that you need. I also feel, one by one, your path may not be clear right now, but one by one, you will be able to see where you are going. The dots will become connected to you in this month. So, one by one, everything will become known to you. I also feel some of you are looking for something, you are seeking something, maybe love, or maybe some sort of success. Definitely you are trying to seek something. And the King of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, yes, I do feel, friends, for most of you, your focus is a lot on your work and career. You definitely want success in your work and career. Even if you are a student, you want success, you are working hard for it. I do see an award. Look at this, I see an award coming for you, or you are working hard to achieve some sort of a success in your work and career. And I think it's long due for you, friends. This success is long due. It is coming for you. Maybe a promotion, maybe some sort of a new start. Also, you will feel very confident in your work and career, like, yes, I can do it. And this, it has taken you some time to reach to this place of, yes, I can do it. So you will feel proud of yourself, friends. I do feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person will be important for you this month. And Six of Wands, yes, you. This is a month of success for you. You want success at any cost. Also, this is a month of forward progress for you. You are moving forward. You are not only moving forward. I see you are very strong willed about success. You want success at any cost. And because you have been living with failure a lot, friends, you have seen the pain of failure, the pain of letdowns, endings. So, this is like karma coming back to you. This is like the good things coming back to you. This is like success coming towards you. So, I do see you will be successful. This is your month when your success rate is very high in your work career. Also, some of you could be getting promoted, some of you could be joining a new college, a new course, or something. You'll be extremely popular there. I also feel this is a month when your popularity is on the rise, friends. Uh, this is definitely the month when you will be feeling more popular, more extroverted. You will want to connect with people. People will be drawn towards you. So there is a lot of social activity for you this month. So this is a good month. I also feel people will be talking a lot about your success behind you. Like, a lot of people are like, see that person, they are so good. You see that person, they are super talented. So, a lot of people are watching you or spying you on social media. A lot of interest is there. And definitely, I see good talks happening for you, people talking good about you. The Three of Cups, yes, this is the month of celebration. Some of you could actually be Aquarius or, air signs. You could be celebrating a birthday this month. I also feel some of you could be actually having some special occasions or some special moments or celebrations coming your way. Some of you will find a promotion or something like that. I also feel you could be finding or celebrating friendships, because I see new friends coming for you. Look at that. I see new friendships coming for you. So, new friends are coming, new connections are coming, supportive people are coming for you. I also feel that there could be a celebration regarding your work or career, like you are celebrating success at work, or some of you could actually be shifting or relocating, so that is what you are celebrating, like you have shifted, so there is a housewarming party, or you have renovated your house, so that is there. So it's a good energy for you, friends, this month. Very happy energy, very light-hearted energy. You will feel very light-hearted. You want love to be free, to be happy. You want your relationships to be free and happy. You don't want any complications, because you have been through complicated situations. The King of Swords, yes, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important for you, friends. I also feel, this month you are very clear what you want. There are no ifs and buts. You know what you want and you will get it. I also feel communications are very important for you, because Mercury will be going retrograde, so you need to keep a little bit of patience, because with Mercury retrogrades, delays and communication blocks happen. But with King of Swords, you want your communications to be clear. You may actually be a little frustrated with communication issues or delays, so keep your patience, okay? Keep your patience. I also feel you're very powerful this month. You're very powerful, friends. People will notice your power. People will notice that you have a sense of knowledge, wisdom, and people will want to know what is it. People will want to know your wisdom. People will want to know what's making you so powerful. So yeah, there's a lot of curiosity about you this month. Ooh, the sun. So definitely your love life is very interesting this month. I do see there is a new dawn, a new light coming in your love life. I also feel some of you could be focusing on self love this month. You could also be focusing on, meeting. I do see some of you could actually go back to dating people after a long while. You could start going back to social media, talking to new people, new friendships. I do see some of you could be meeting your twin flame for the first time ever. Some of you could be meeting a lover, a crush, and that is the perfect one for you. I do see there is a lot of love, there is a lot of friendship, there is a lot of light in your love life and relationships. I also see a lot of success and fame coming for you in your life in general. I see, you want warmth because you had been through such dark times. Look at this card, it's also dark. You want this life looking up, and that's exactly what is going to happen. Life looking up for you. So, yes, get ready. And again, the Page of Swords. So, you could be dealing again with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I also feel you're a very powerful manifester this month, friends. Whatever you want, you can manifest. And the main thing you want in your relationships is warmth and communications, honesty. You want people to love you and you want people to be honest with you, and I think you will be able to achieve that more or less in January. I also feel if you are married, there is a very strong chance of pregnancy happening for you, or if you already have kids, you will get along very well with your kids and children. So yes, I also feel if you are single, there are choices in partners coming for you. There is choice in love coming for you, and it will make you feel excited. Like you have more options. You will feel happy. You are more popular. Four of Pentacles. Yeah, I do feel, friends, this is a very secure month for you. You're feeling very confident, very secure, and very sure of where you are. I also feel, a lot of people want you or desire you or are passionate about you, but you are very picky, pile number one. You will not choose just anybody or everybody. You are very specific on what you want in love, in work, in career, and you are very picky. I also feel this will be a good month to save a little money because I feel like spending too much money will make you feel unhappy. I don't know why, but it feels like it's not like money is not coming. No, it's like if you spend too much, you might feel a little unhappy. So try and save a little money. Try to be more, try to be more particular about your money. I also feel even if you like somebody, you will be keeping it to yourself. You may meet a lot of people, date a lot of people, but you are not telling them what's on your heart and mind. So you are keeping the people guessing. You are very powerful, friends, absolutely, this month. The Thinker, number 44. Yeah, I feel some of you could be someone is obsessing about you, a past lover or an ex, or someone is definitely obsessed about you. I also see a lot of people are talking about you because people want to know what's making you popular, what are you doing, what people will notice a change in you, and people are like, hey, what are you doing, you looking good. I also feel someone from the past is really missing you, but you have moved on. You want other things now, other people, other things. You're busy with other hobbies, other work. But if you are a student, please be careful. You may become obsessed about worrying or anxiety, so you have to be careful. Use that time for studies rather than worry. Deep knowing, number 43. Yeah, I do feel that the solutions you are looking for or the answers you are looking for, you already know them, friends. So, whatever you need is already there in your heart. You are very powerful, so believe in that. Hoo hoo, man holding a heart. So, definitely love is coming your way. And love is very important to you also this month. I feel someone, secret lover or somebody from the past will be sharing their love, proposing you, or you could be proposing somebody. I do see this is a destined connection. I do see this person and you can have a great partnership or a great working relationship also. Like, you guys could be colleagues or you guys study together. So let's see. Anxiety, number 18. Yeah, I do feel like some of you, while number one, you are perfectionist this month. And this could lead to a lot of worry to you. Like, you want perfection, you want more, 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 more work, more success, more love, more this, more that. So you want to be so perfect that it can lead to a little bit of anxiety. So please keep that in mind. And yes, I do feel that somebody is very anxious. Someone wants to have you, someone wants to date you or be friends with you, and they are super anxious. This person could be having some, anxiety, depression, or some sort of issues, health issues. Let's see what else. We'll also see the charm so we can get more idea. Tree, let them go, number 18. Yeah, I do feel, friends, this is the month when you need to let go of any past stress, any past baggage, any past people that no longer serve you, even friends who are not positive. I think it's time to let them go. And I do see somebody will try to come back again, a friend or a lover, they will try to come back again, but it's up to you. But I would suggest you this is a month for self love for you. Putting yourself first is important. Gold, you don't need somebody else to fix you. Wow, you are perfect friends. You don't need others to tell you what you need to do or what you can fix in yourself. You are beautiful, you are amazing. And I think some of you are missing more friends. You need more friends rather than lovers. I think you will find new connections, friends, in January, new friendships. So, congratulations. Don't try to fit in for other people. People who will understand you are coming. So let's see some advice. Ooh, synchronicity. Your prayers and questions are being answered by synchronistic events. Notice them in order to increase their flow. So, yes, I do feel you're very, very lucky this month, and also whatever you need is coming for you. So, keep praying, keep manifesting. Let us see your charms now. Option number 1 for January. Alright, let's see. Lots of initials we have, so definitely lots of people are important, right? And oh my god, this is stuck on this One of Cups on a red car. So somebody with a red car is important. Okay, let me just separate them and then we're gonna read them. All right, let's see. Let's start with the initial toe. So yeah, toe could be important. Take care of your feet, friend. Maybe you can get some injury may happen, or you may hurt your toes or something. Vet, yeah, you could be meeting a doctor, or you could be getting a pet also, and you may need to visit your vet for that. Joey, I think you guys will be watching a lot of Friends series. Joey, this reminds me of Joey from Friends. Joe, yeah, you could be Joevet. These are the initials for you. The number is number 23. So number 23 is important. Car, yes. I do feel some of you could be having some issues with your cars or something like that. You could be wanting to buy a new car this month, but I would suggest you to don't waste too much money on a car. Like, try, if you really need it, buy something which is cheaper. Don't go over the board buying the best, like, do your research and then buy, okay? Because that's the energy. And the red car, this is a very passionate month for you. Your passions are really, really high. Green house, yes, health is very important. Also, money is coming your way. And teacup, yes, friendships are very important for you. New connections are coming. This leaf, silver leaf, is about finding your power. This small leaf is about letting go of the past. Crown, yes, I do feel some of you are going to get awarded, you are going to get crowned. Some of you are going to feel like, yes, you have won finally. The key, I do feel Some of you could be moving into a new job, a new house, or something new. Some sort of a solution is given to you this month, and it will change your life. The bunny, so very passionate month. Let's see. March is important, so maybe Mars is important. Mars is the planet of power, planet of passion. So, yes, you're very aggressive. Three of coins, support is coming for you. Asia, somebody living in Asia is important. Prince of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. King of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Nine of Wands, yeah, friends, you are very close to achieving your goal, so do not give up. Snake, big changes, transformation, you are changing, so do not worry. Six of Fairs, yes, your life will get better. Dear, it's okay to be sensitive, friends. It is okay. If people are judging you for that, it's not your fault. You are special. Remember that. Ace of Cups, new friendships, new love. Seven of Cups, choices. Yes, choices are coming. Patience. Yes, you need to have certain patience, friends. A little bit of patience will go a long way in your January. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see what is coming next for you in January. If you chose this beautiful card of change, I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. So I do feel this is a month of change for you. This is a month of progress. This is a month of you making some important changes in your life, or some great things are moving or coming into your life. So let's see, these are your tarot. These are your oracle and advice. We're gonna look at them shortly, and also your charms are here. So let's see. Whew. So what is happening? All right. Five of Swords. So when you start this month, friends, I think currently you are feeling a little confused. I feel like you're all over the place. Like you are feeling a little scattered. You know. I also feel some of you could be actually feeling very defeated in some way. Like you did everything, but still you could not win some sort of situation like love or work or money. Someone has actually let you down, friends, and you don't like that. You feel sad about it. And also I feel like you have a right now you could also be feeling a little confused by for scattered. I see a lot of scattered energy in you. Like you want this, you want that. Your thoughts are also a little confusing you. One day you want this thing, the other day you want that. So you are a little all over the place. And when you start the month of January, that is how you feel. And I think it is because of the new moon that's coming on the 2nd of January that's kind of going to affect you strongly, friends. So be patient with yourself. That's the first advice I would like to give you. Secondly, there are people who are not good for you. I feel situations which are not good for you. Friends, family, or an ex lover. I see arguments around you. But let's see what this is a current energy actually. Let's see how January will be. Let's see that. Wow, Eight of Wands. So definitely January starts on a bang. January starts on a very powerful note for you, friends. You will be getting from all this scattered energy, you will be shifting into the energy of mode of action. You will be going after your dreams, taking charge, taking the lead, going after what you want. I also feel communications will be coming in, the communications which are not happening right now. Some of you are waiting for good news, some of you are waiting for news messages from work, from your lover, and they are not coming. But as soon as January starts, things will start to move, things will start to progress, communications will be coming. Also, this scattered energy you are in, that will be shifting. You will feel more strong, you will feel more confident, more single minded, focused. You will also feel more bold and active. So it's a good energy. Suddenly, from all this confusion, you are like, yes, I want to do this and I'm going to take charge. So it's a great energy. You will also be making a lot of goals, dreams, and acting on that, going after your dreams, fulfilling your passions. So it's a great passionate start. Yeah, the magician. I do feel this is the month when most of you are actually You have a lot of plans for this year, and you will be working very hard in the month of January to go after your dreams. You are definitely manifesting new love or money or a new job. Some of you could be manifesting travel, like you want to travel or shift or relocate abroad or in some another city or country. Yes, you are manifesting that, and you are on the right path of manifestations. I also feel, friends, at your work, you will feel very ignited. Your passions will be ignited. Your mind will be ignited. You are very powerful at your work. You're very connected also with your work. So you want to do a lot of, yes, I want to do this. You're very charged up. You will have a lot of ideas regarding your work, your career, your studies also. I do see you will be working night and day because you are so passionate about whatever you are doing in life. I also feel some of you could actually be learning or taking courses to learn tarot readings, or any something new and exciting. You will go and learn that thing, and it will just change your life. Like some of you could actually be learning some new courses which you have not learned before, and it will help you to feel very positive. I also feel you are very powerful, friends, this month. You are very in a very strong energy. Whatever you want, you will be able to manifest. Whatever you say will happen quickly. So be careful in making your wishes, because if you say negative, that might also come true. So please be careful in saying the positive things. Seven of Pentacles. Wow, I do feel, you will have a lot of choices this month. I also feel this is a month of patience for you. I see like you have a lot of things going on for you. Like, at work, this is happening. At work, another project is happening. Then in love, this is happening. Then at home and family, this is happening. So I see a lot of things are happening for you this month. So you need to be a little patient with everything. Sometimes you may get like, why is it taking like forever for things to fall into place? It is like it is because I think you want a lot many things in January. It is like you want home success, you want you want happy family also, you want your work also, you want career success, you want love success, you want everything at the same time. So yes, patience will go a long way. Patience will be necessary. I also feel you are working hard for something, friends, and there is a strong chance you will achieve it this month. Like if you are working for some project or some sort of you're working on some goals, some dreams, some passion, there is a chance of achievement there. There is a chance of rewards coming there. If I think some of you are worried about money, money is coming in, friends. But money is coming in, but please do not expect like to be turning into a millionaire this month. No, that won't happen. But I do see money, which efforts you have made, the money is coming in. I also feel you're waiting for some sort of a news or development to happen. It will happen, friends. You're waiting for something to happen for you, like that job call, like interview or exam results to come. Yes, they will be in your favor. You will be selected. So that's a good news. Page of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person will be important for you. This is a very passionate month for you, pile number 2. You could be an Aries, Leo, Sag yourself, or you could be dealing with a fire sign. I feel your passions are very high, friends, and you will feel very ambitious from, feeling scattered to don't know what to do to this energy of like, I know what to do and I'm going after that. I also feel you could be a workaholic this month. You could be very passionate about your work. Your everything you do is very passionate. I also feel some of you could be having some sort of health issues this month, but you will be able to recover them quickly, because change, you are moving towards change. Change is good for you. I also feel some of you could be actually traveling, or you will desperately need to travel. Like you have that aching desire to travel. I don't know why, but you want to travel just to escape from everything, escape from yourself, escape from the world. You wanted to travel. And if there are delays in traveling, you will actually be not happy. So try to be patient, friends. You will be able to travel or shift or relocate. Just give it some time. Like if you want to go, if you want to travel around the 5th of the month, it will happen around the 15th of the month. So give it some time, okay? And Five of Wands. Ooh, the love is passionate. Your love life is super passionate, friends. Your January is the month when your head is saying one thing, your heart is saying one thing, your family is saying one thing, your lover is saying one thing. So you are like, OMG, what am I gonna do? I do see there is a push and pull energy in your love life. So your love life is scintillating. It's hot, hot, hot. Also, this is the month, when you may attract, if you are really single, you may attract an opposite person. Opposites tend to attract a lot, and it will be a very volatile connection, a deep connection, but you guys think differently. I also feel some of you may actually be having some issues with family because they are not saying yes for the person you want to marry, or there are some issues within the with a lover or a family member. But I see you can resolve them by keeping your patience, friends, and I do see positive healing is happening in your love life and families relationships, the world. Yeah, I do feel some of you could be dealing with a long distance connection this month. If you are really single, love is coming from the distance, from social media, from another city or country. I also feel some of you may actually feel like, you know, you and your person are poles apart. You may feel that way, but it's not like that. It's actually like differences can be melted and differences can make better, stronger relationships. That is what I feel. This month is about change is good for you, positive for you, differences are good for you. Let's see what else will happen in your love life. Coming together, Two of Cups. Yes, I do see a new love is coming or a renewed connection. Like love is, differences will melt and love will shine. I also feel for some of you there could be third parties, but there will, it will heal. If there is a third party, it will heal. Trust. Yeah, I do feel that in your love life, some things are, communication blocks will be there, and because of the Mercury retrograde. But if you trust, things will get really better for you, and you just need to be patient, friends. And also, differences are good. Differences are good. If you and your partner are on the different pages, it's good. You need to trust that change is a good thing for you. And if you are really single, it's love is coming from the overseas or from another city or country. Peace. Number 23. Yes, I do feel most of you want peace. You don't want any drama in your life this month. You are done with dramas. You want peace, and that's exactly what you want. And I do see peace is coming in your relationships. Chaos and conflict. Number 33. Ooh, there will be some arguments. Some sort of a scattered energy is there, friends. You may feel like your heart is saying one thing, your head is saying one thing in your love life. So you will have to trust, you will have to use your intuition and make the decisions from there. Attachment, number 5. Yeah, some of you could be actually attached to a friendship or a person or a partner or a family member. But this attachment is actually not perfect for you. It's actually heavy and draining for you. So you will have to decide, do you want to stay, move on, heal it, what you want to do with it. Women holding a heart, number 44. I feel you have a lot of divine support, friends. So you should count on that, count on the angels, count on the universe to support you. I also feel love is coming from unexpected places. You may feel like this person from the past or this person is not loving you, but I think there is someone else who really loves you. Everything is a mirror for you in January. People are telling you, people are just mirrors for you. So if you feel they are, I think you know what I mean. If you want them to love you, you have to love yourself, right? I do see a lot of love coming for you and unexpected love from unexpected places. Princess, you can be your own knight. You are very powerful, friends. You will have to believe in yourself. You will have to listen to your intuition this month. Your intuition will help you, and especially in your love life and relationships. And confidence, it comes with time and patience. Again, practice and time and patience. So Yes, I do feel be confident, believe in yourself, you are ready. And number 23 is twice here, 23, 23. So, number 23 is important. The more confident you are this month, the better you will be. The more patient you are, the better your month will be. Let's see some advice and then your charms. Explore your options. It's time to look at other possibilities. It is a good time to make changes. So, yeah, I do feel if you are frustrated with any situation, it is a good idea to make a change and look for other options. If you are frustrated with the relationship, look for other solutions. Look within, you know the answers. So let's see your charms, pile number two. All right, let's see. Ooh, me. So you are the first thing that's coming here. Yes, me is important. You are important. You need to put yourself first. And let's see. Me, meow. A cat may be important, or an animal is also important, like a pet is important for you. You may be a person who has a cat or a dog is also important. Om could be a name. So the initials are OMEE. The letters, numbers are number 31. Number 6 is important. The number 6 could be the 6th of January is important, or 6 is next 6 days or 6 weeks are important. The apple, yes, I do feel health is very important for you. Also, healthy connections are very important for you. Commitment, yes, in love, commitment is important. Talks of marriage, commitment. You may meet somebody who is, somebody may commit to you who lives in some another city or country. The black horse. Friends, you are very confident. You need to believe in yourself. You don't need to know or doubt your worth. Your worth is. The aeroplane, yeah, traveling. Good news is coming. News is coming regarding travel, work. This car reminds me of success, money, success, getting your wishes fulfilled. This bead is about, this golden bead is like, you're worthy, friends. You're very worthy. You don't need to you know, don't stay confused. Believe in yourself. And the ship, yeah, I do feel again some of you are really traveling, relocating, buying or selling a property, inheritances, family, those things are very important to you. The flower, yes, things are blossoming, things are opening for you. King of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Neptune. Yeah, I would say pile number two. There will be some confusion still, even in January, but as the month progresses, a lot of things will clear out. So, just keep at it. A lover, yes, a lover is important for you. Knight of air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Art is very important. You might actually start learning some art, yoga. You might even make your hobbies as your career. So well done, pile number two. And subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C Singh. Bye bye. So for those who chose option number 3, let us see how your month of January will be, and we'll see your charms also. So if you chose this beautiful freedom card, I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. Wow, this is going to be a very, very powerful and strong month for you. I feel your focus is you are focused on what you want. Also, liberation, awakening, spirituality, and freedom is what you want, and that's coming for you this month, friends. These are your oracle, these are your tarot cards, and these are your oracle and advice. We're gonna look at them shortly, and we will also be seeing your charm. So, yes. Wow. So, when you start the month, I feel like you are feeling like in a mood to rest and relax. You're feeling like, yeah, we'll do it. It's a lazy kind of an energy, you know. When you start the month of January, you will be like, nah, I don't want to do anything. You're a bit lazy. In fact, I feel drowsy right now, like, you know, yawning. So you could be feeling a little too lazy at the start of the month. Also, some of you could be like, what is, you are not very excited at the start of the January. You are like, yeah, it's like any other year. What's great about it? So you are in a very calm, composed, lazy kind of an energy when you start the year. You will also be like, nothing makes me happy, nothing, you know, nothing. You don't have very high hopes with January to start with. I think right now you are also like, yes, some of you could actually be recovering from something, some illness or something right now. Or you are like, I want to take some rest, I want to take a chill pill and just snooze and rest. But I think, yes, you're not very excited about January, but at the start, but I think that's a great way. You don't expect much from January, but I think it will surprise you. Let's see. Yes, Six of Pentacles. So definitely this is going to be a very, very karmic month for you. Your past hard work, your patience, your you are going to be surprised this month. Yes, because you have no expectations from this month. You are like, I don't know, nothing much can happen. What can happen in my life, you know? But I think that's exactly why this is going to be a great month for you. I do see good karma coming back for you. I do see your hard work paying off. I see money coming your way, unexpected money, money you have not expected, money you were not even counting on. Some of you could actually be winning some free coupons, free money, like, you know, some discounts. You bought something, you got a discount on another purchase, you got like 50% off, and you are like, what? I also see extra money coming from your work, also inheritances, properties, some gifts coming your way. So this is a very karmic month for you, and you will be surprised, like, wow, life is finally going into balance, you know, and you're like, no, 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 I don't believe it. I won't believe it so quickly. So yes, you still have your hesitations, but the year and the month will start on a great note for you. I also feel some of you could be actually focusing more on work and career rather than love, because you want to balance your life. Some of you are like fed up of love and relationships, or fed up of, you know, being unfocused. So your focus will be very clear this month. You're focusing on work, you're focusing on your life, on making your future brighter. So your focus on love and relationships is less. But let's see ahead what happens. Let's see. Seven of Wands. Yes, friends, you are very, very close to achieving a goal. So, if you are planning to give up on your career, your goals, your dreams, do not think about that. This is the month when you are going to achieve or become even more closer to your goals and your dreams. So, your right path, you're on the right path, you are going in the right direction. I also feel in your work and career, you will become more ambitious, more powerful. You will want to achieve more. Your desire to achieve, work hard will be very high. Some of you may even become a little like, yes, I want, you know, hungry for success, hungry for hungry for success, for money, for power. Yes, I also feel some of you could be working for a dream, working for a exam, working for some sort of a goal, some sort of a passion. And in the past year, you were not getting any kind of rewards, any kind of progress. But in January, you will finally be moving forward and getting some progress in your dreams, in your goals, in your career, and you're like, finally, we are close to where we want to be. Some of you could be in research also, you know, and you are like, you want to go into research or go into higher education. The doors will open from this month, you know, things will start to move in your favor. I do see this is a good month, friends, and this is a month you will be very passionate. Your Mars is very activated. Your Jupiter is also very activated, so you will feel very passionate. You will be very full of energy, and you will want to do a lot of things at your work, in your career. So yes, I also feel in your this is a month when you will have to choose. Also, you will have a lot of things on your plate, a lot of things to achieve. This is a busy month for you. I see you are very, very busy, and you will feel like, no, I don't want to do anything. But yes, you will have to still choose from your work or your family duties or your life in general, your friends, and everybody. Yes, this is a month of choices. It is a busy month for you. You will have to make certain decisions. I also see some of you could actually start doing two jobs. Like you want to have two jobs, you want to have multiple options, multiple earnings, and you could start earning from a hobby this month, or from some past money is coming from some past dues, like you had loaned to somebody, they will give money back to you. So decisions will be necessary this month. Decisions are necessary. Why? Because a lot is going on. You are busy everywhere, in your work, in your love, in your family, everywhere you are busy. You have to choose now which one to do first. Page of Pentacles, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person will be important for you. I feel you will, this is a study month for you. This is like, this month will make you very busy, but you want to slow it down. You are like, time is going too fast. I want to slow it down. So you will want to make this month a slow and study month. But this month will surprise you, and it will actually be a very fast and quick month for you, and you'll be like, oh no, I don't want this fast and quick. I'm in a lazy mood. I want things to be slow and relaxed. But whoo, this is a fast month. The Capricorn energy may ask, the Uranus energy, the Aquarius energy is like fast, 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 and that is what it month will be, fast for you. I also feel if you are a student, you will be working very hard. Nobody can get in your way. Nobody. Not even your parents can change your mind. You have a mind of your own. You will go after your dreams. You will be working very hard. Some of you can actually be working overnight, and it can affect your health. So please do not be too ambitious, too passionate. Like if you are gymming, you may go crazy gymming. So be patient, okay? Balance yourself. And let's see your love life. Five of Cups. Someone from the past is missing you. They will be coming back this month, contacting you. You could also be missing somebody from your childhood, people from your past. Nostalgia is high, Mercury retrograde. All the exes are coming back, or even if they are not coming back, you will be thinking about your ex and the past love situations. But yes, I do see your ex is coming for some of you. An ex lover, an ex husband, wife, twin flame is coming back. But it will make you feel angry. Because I don't know why, but you will feel angry when this person kind of comes back. The Nine of Wands, yeah, I do feel this person has been very defensive in their love life. In with you, they have kept you like waiting, waiting. So you don't, you will be a little upset when this person comes again in January. I also feel in your love life, you want progress, you want freedom, you want to do things as you want, but somewhere, you know, somewhere you may have to adjust this month, and you may not like it. You want freedom, you want full freedom. Some of you could be in third party, some of you could be dealing with a person who keeps coming in and out of your life, and you are like, I'm done with this. So yes, things are moving forward, but in your love life, things are a little volatile, things are a little ambitious, passionate. Mars energy and Venus energy both are highly activated. So you will have to be a little, keep your temper a little low. And I would also suggest that some of you may not even want to focus on your love and career this month. I don't know. It feels like your heart is not in it, but you might actually be forced to focus on it. Like you are married, but you want to focus on your work, but you have kids, so you cannot focus elsewhere. So you may feel a little upset about it. Four of Wands, yes, marriage and commitment is very high on your plate. Some of you could be wanting commitment, some of you could be seeing marriage proposals this month. Also, somebody from the past is coming back to marry you or to discuss certain things about commitment. I want to see what is this block in your love life. Let's just see what is so detached. Yes, too much drama happening in your love life. You will not like it, friends. You want your freedom. I think some of you will even Somebody from the past might upset you, or even if the relationship is new, some past issues may reappear and you will not like it, friends. See, control, eight of the eight strength, control. Yeah, your relationships are very strong, friends, and that is why you will feel like how to fix them. I think your relationships are strong, so you can rely on them, but at the same time, your need for freedom is too much. You will want to be free, like this free. You want to be free as well as in a relationship, so you will have to balance that. Clean it up. Number 21. Yeah, someone is coming who wants to clear the mess they have made in your life. They want to clear the past, uh, heal things out. Higher power. Number 4. Yeah, I do feel fate is working in your life. This is a month where you will feel like things are, happening at as per the divine will, destined timing, divine timing is there. Also, this month will surprise you in many good ways. So let's see. Patience, whoo, sweet 16. You will have to keep your patience, friends, especially in your love life and relationships. Things are working out. It sometimes takes a bit longer to fix the relationships or heal them. So, divine timing is at work. Keep your patience and caring connection. So, woohoo, love is coming your way, and all your relationships will definitely be sweeter this month. Phoenix, how is that for a happily ever after? Yes, you want your happily ever after. You want your marriage, your commitment, your ultimate source of love. It will happen, friends. Big changes are happening in your relationships or your life, but it's all for the good. Stars, you can manifest your every wish. So, yes, you are very close to making your wishes come true. So, keep wishing. Let's see some advice. A new dawn. That's beautiful. The worst is now behind you, and positive new experiences are on the horizon. So, good things are coming for you, friends. You must believe it. And you must be a little patient. Do not, give up right before the miracle occurs. Wow, lots of charms came out. Let's see. Wow, so you have a lot of charms actually. Let's see. There is Vas. Somebody's name could be Vaso. Vasco da Gama, that I remember that. VASO, that's the number. That's the initial for you. There is number 1. So somebody with a life path 1 is important. 23. My God, I think 23 came in all the piles. Number 23. 23 might be important, 23rd of January. Pineapple, reunion, reconciliation, somebody from the past, attachment, someone is very attached, hooked on to you. Again, the bead of creativity. This is a very creative month. Focus on your creativity. The ship is about travel. Traveling is good for you. Also, this is about the long distance connections, people from or news coming from distance. Rainbow, yes, you are going to have your rainbow success. Blessings in disguise. Wow, you have a car. That's interesting. Wow, that's interesting. So I do feel some of you are going to have luxury, or some of you are actually going to, some of you are trying to manifest a car, buy a property, buy a house. It will happen, friends. You are on the right path. Don't give up. Yes, some of you could be going out for parties this month. Yes, it's a good month for that. Or you could be buying some shoes, new shoes. The leaf, do not, let go of the laziness. Get to work. The wheel of fortune, yes, you are the driver of your life. You have the control. The wedding bell, some of you could be going for a wedding. You could be getting married yourself. Teacup, getting to know other people, taking time to know them. Also, some past lover reappearing. This leaf is about money. Money is coming in. Hello, I'm a bad idea. Yes, somebody from the past is coming back, and I don't think so you will like that. Four of Cups, marriage, commitment. Prince of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Art, yes. Creativity is good, so focus on that. Star, yes, your wishes will be coming true. One of Wands, very passionate. You're very passionate this month. Canada, you could be dealing with a person in Canada or USA. Knight of Ears, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Healer, yes, you are a healer, or you could be attracting a healer this month. So that's it for now. Subscribe, Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic Seasing. Bye bye.